Navigating the world of corporate finance, the words compliance and audit can often feel like heavy burdens. But what if they didn't have to be? Expensify transforms this narrative, making compliance a continuous reality and audits a breeze. How? It all starts with the policy. You set the rules, spending limits, required documentation, preferred vendors, and Expensify's powerful policy enforcement system goes to work. Before an expense even hits an approver's desk, it's checked against every rule you've defined. For the employee, this is a real-time policy check. No more accidental violations or chasing down missing receipts later. If they try to submit a $30 lunch when the limit is $25, the system flags it instantly, reducing out-of-policy spending before it happens. This ties directly into the audit trail. Expensify creates a digital, unalterable record of every single action, from the employee snapping a photo of a receipt with SmartScan, to its automatic categorization, to the final approval and reimbursement. This full lifecycle documentation is the gold standard for compliance. When audit time rolls around, that detailed trail is your secret weapon. All receipts, expense reports, and approval history are securely stored in one centralized, digital archive. Instead of digging through boxes or chasing emails, you simply grant read-only access to your auditor. They see the original receipt, the date, the merchant, the policy check, and the full approval workflow, all linked to the relevant transaction. Expensify supports multi-level GL coding and integrates seamlessly with major accounting software, so your financial data is consistently mapped and ready to export in the exact format your auditor needs. Plus, its robust security measures, including PCI DSS compliance and SOC 1 and SOC 2 audits, ensure your sensitive financial data is protected. By automating policy enforcement and centralizing every data point, Expensify shifts compliance from a painful, reactive task to a simple, proactive routine. It's not just about managing expenses, it's about building an always-on, audit-ready financial system. So, ditch the paper trail and the audit anxiety. Expensify helps you stay compliant, minimize risk, and make your next audit the easiest one yet.